Have you ever wondered how much you can actually withdraw from your Stash debit card? It's a common question, especially if you're planning a big purchase or a cash-heavy trip. Let's dive into the details and find out exactly what the limits are. Stash debit overview. Before we get into the withdrawal limits, let's briefly recap what Stash debit is. It's a debit card linked to your Stash investment account, giving you access to your funds for everyday purchases. Importance of understanding limits. Knowing the withdrawal limits is crucial for financial planning. It helps you avoid unexpected fees or inconveniences when you need to access your money. Withdrawal limits. Daily withdrawal limit. The daily withdrawal limit for Stash debit is typically, insert the actual limit. This means you can withdraw up to this amount from ATMs or over-the-counter transactions in a single day. Monthly withdrawal limit. In addition to the daily limit, there might also be a monthly withdrawal limit. This is the maximum amount you can withdraw from your Stash debit account in a month. It's usually a higher amount than the daily limit. ATM fees. Keep in mind that withdrawing cash from ATMs might incur fees, especially if you use out-of-network ATMs. Stash might charge a fee, and the ATM operator might also charge a fee. Factors affecting withdrawal limits. Account type. Your withdrawal limits might vary depending on the type of Stash account you have. For example, a premium account might have higher limits compared to a basic account. Account activity. Your withdrawal history and overall account activity might also influence your limits. Stash might adjust your limits based on your usage patterns. Tips for managing withdrawal limits. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need to withdraw a large amount of cash, plan ahead and make sure you're within your limits. Consider alternative payment methods. For larger purchases, consider using a credit card or other payment methods to avoid reaching your withdrawal limit. Monitor your account. Regularly check your Stash account to stay informed about your withdrawal limits and any changes. Frequently asked questions. Can I increase my withdrawal limit? You might be able to request an increase in your withdrawal limit under certain circumstances. Contact Stash customer support to inquire about this. What happens if I exceed my withdrawal limit? If you attempt to withdraw more than your limit, your transaction might be declined, and you might incur fees. Can I withdraw money from a foreign ATM? Yes, you can usually withdraw money from foreign ATMs using your Stash debit card. However, be aware of potential foreign transaction fees. In this video, we've explored the withdrawal limits for Stash debit. We've covered the daily and monthly limits, factors that can affect these limits, and tips for managing your withdrawals effectively. If you have any further questions about Stash debit or its withdrawal limits, feel free to leave a comment below or visit the Stash website. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.